Eventually, it happens to us all. We have to rip out rows. One of the best knitters I ever knew called herself the frog stitcher. Rip it, rip it. It's really not difficult. You do a little upward movement on the working yarn and pull in the direction that the row is going, if that makes sense, towards the next stitch that remains, and off they pop. You frequently have to straighten the needles, as you see me doing. Sometimes a little bit of weight on the fabric is a help. I find that at the edges, holding on below the edge stitch allows a little better control. That edge stitch is the most difficult one. Make sure that the yarn you free stays out of the way and doesn't tangle with the needle hooks. When everything necessary has been unknitted, pull back behind the tensioner so all the excess yarn goes back where it belongs. Then you can thread the carriage up and resume knitting.